Are you trying to find the best car buffers? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 6 best car buffers. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The WP900 Black Plus Decker 6 inches Random Orbit Waxer removes swirl marks with no effort, and does so very rapidly while buffing and polishing your paint job, according to one of the many satisfied customers. It does this by spinning at 4,400 orbits per minute. This item, which features a 1250-watt motor, and is both our top pick for the finest random orbital polisher, buffer and Amazon's choice for vehicle buffers, is praised for its 2-handle grip and light weight of 5.3 pounds, which enables greater control without wearing out users. In order to avoid stopping in the middle of a polishing and buffing task to plug in again, it also contains a 10-foot cord. The aftermarket pads that can be used with this random orbital buffer instead of the ones that came with it, however, have been found by several consumers to produce the best polishing results. Number 2. The Chemical Guys Vehicle Detailing Kit has everything you'll need for the perfect paint job when polishing your automobile for both single-stage and clear-coat paint finishes, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned buffs. You'll always have the ideal pad on hand for your requirements thanks to the 5 included pads, plus the kit also contains a cleaner and conditioner and microfiber cloths. The star of this kit, and the one that gives each buffing project a fantastic finish, is the TORQX Dual Action Random Orbital Polisher. The orbital buffer action is the secret to its power shine because it stops users from burning through the paint or producing ugly swirls. This random orbit waxer buffer has received positive reviews for its ability to bring their paint back to life, with one reviewer noting that it cuts down the time it takes to detail the car and makes it effortless, and another remarking that it is flawless and free of swirls or holograms effects. Number 3. The Dual DWP 849X Buffer Polisher may be what you need to give any vehicle a high-quality polish or buff. The tool comes with a rubber gear case cover that is non-marring and features a 12-amp motor that generates a lot of power to get that brilliant polished finish. Due to its steel gears and wool ingestion shields, the 7 inches divided by 9 inches dual buff polisher performs admirably even after handling the most difficult tasks. It also includes a long-lasting ball-bearing motor. A backing pad bail with hook and loop is also included in the set. Despite the fact that this durable tool weighs only 6.7 pounds, some users remark that using it can be a little taxing. However, one user advised to let the weight of the polisher do the work to prevent user fatigue and get the most out of this highly rated car buffer. Number 4. It's quite impressive that the 6 inches Win Auto Waxer polisher has such a reasonable price given the level of power that this little random orbit machine offers. This Amazon's Choice hand buffer tool is one of the greatest value buffers you'll find, and it has a 120-volt motor that spins at 3,500 revolutions per minute. One customer called it a strong little buffer. Don't let the low price deceive you. This random orbit buffer is of high quality. Users have praised it for being an absolute steal, lightweight and easy to use with one hand. Feels heavy and well made, very maneuverable, making the job of waxing my car extremely easy and fast. And a weighty and well-made feeling buffer. Number 5. The ENEACRO Variable Speed Polisher and Car Buffer has a 6-level speed dial that enables users to get a professional finish on a range of surfaces. These rotary buffers have a range of 15.0 to 35.0 RPM for the buffering speed, and the self-lock feature enables users to maintain a comfortable speed. 3 replaceable polishing pads are included with it. An orange pad for removing shallow scratches, a yellow pad for slightly bigger but still minor scratches, and a black pad for waxing and wiping away extra product. It's obvious that this product was made to lighten your load thanks to its lightweight 5.5-pound weight and 2 removable handles that make it even more comfortable and simple to operate. One satisfied customer stated that the various speeds are a requirement and help the task get done with less effort. Additionally, it includes replacement polisher pads for a variety of purposes. Number 6. According to many pleased customers, including one who noted that they received a mirror-like sheen on their vehicle, the WORKPRO Polisher Buffer Kit is simply the best auto wax polisher in this price range due to its excellent results. 3 different pads are included in the set for wax polishing a variety of surfaces, and the variable speed dial, which ranges from 1,000 to 38.0 RPM, is one of its standout features. One customer complaint appears to be that the motor slows down a little when pressure is applied, although other customers were able to fix this problem by changing the speed setting. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, So please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.